It is 6:30 a.m. The old man's got air tools out.
Good morning, VW Lifers.
What are we doing, Dad?
Oh, lights on, lights off. Well, it's bright and early, and we are going to the Big D, and I don't mean Dallas. No, I do mean Dallas. And we're getting a 67 VW Beetle. What do you think of those apples? It should be fun, I hope. It's a 67 Beetle, which is a unique year. Yeah, as you well know, we had a white one. I said if we had a white one, a red one must be even better. So we're going to go look at this and come join us because, as always, this is an adventure. And today it's the Gary and Jake show, son and father bonding day. Jake's real excited about that. So stick with us.
Jesus. Get us robbed.
Look at that little piss.
I think he's got van envy.
Look down.
Yeah, I mean, look at this. Look at that.
This is how we roll the TJK. We don't have any like little girly. Oh, look at my little girl band. It's all about the Astro. All right, Jake, we're getting about 30 minutes out from looking at this Beetle.
Yes, sir.
We know it's got a little bit of rust. Guy showed us some pictures of that. What are we gonna be looking for exactly? What do you think?
Things we gotta remember is, you know, for the resale game, is what does the common person see when they look at a Volkswagen? They look at paint, they look at wheels, they look at glass. That's the big things that
interior.
Interior, yeah. But it's the first impression. So you know, if that stuff looks good, okay. But if that looks bad, we gotta think about the other stuff.
Right.
You know,
how rusty it is. But the good news, of course, the good news about this, it's red.
Red cells.
Red cells. We know that for sure. I mean, it just is. You know, we have to determine if it's if it's a repaint, if it's a decent repaint. It looks like the car was originally red, but it has been repainted red. You know, there's some rust in the parcel tray back there. That could be just from storage. Something got stored back there, or leaky back glass. Maybe. But you know, we got to check the heater channels for sure. Down by your feet. You gotta look at the pillar, that lower A pillars where the hinges on the front doors are. Pans are rusty, you know. I mean, you can deal with that. We can do patches on the pan, but we don't want to get into like pulling this body off thing because
we gotta look what kind of motor it has, see what kind of values in the motor itself.
Yeah, I mean, it's a 67, and 67 have a lot of unique parts.
And it's all 12 volt stuff, right?
Yes, it is 12 volts. So I mean, there's a lot of little pieces that 67 people are always digging. We'll have to kind of identify some of that as we're going into this deal too. So let's see what we can find. We're about 30 minutes out. Well, Pops, here we go. Let's do it. Well, you know what? Somebody once sang, you got to know when to hold 'em. Know when to fold 'em. Know when to walk away. Know when to run. You never put your money on a rusty ass Volkswagen. You gotta walk around and find the next Waffle House. Holy guacamole, AJ.
Yeah, it was a rough one, man.
We
apologize, VW Lifers. Couldn't get much footage.
Yeah.
Just gotta know when to hold them, man. It was a really rusty 67. It was sad. You hate seeing them.
There's rust on Volkswagens, and then there's
structural rust.
Yeah, this one had structural rust.
Yeah. Like where suspension and motor mounts and all that kind of stuff, really important parts.
The back, where the spring plates go on and the torsion beam in the back, it was rusty mounted through there. I would actually be a little kind of afraid to drive it down the street as it was, even if you know what I'm saying. The pans were decent, had rust on the dang battery tray, and that was it. The rest of the pans were good. The heater channels had like, you put your arm up through them, and the motor didn't run. It felt like it had a little bit of brakes. You got to know when to say when, and I made him an offer because it was as a parts car. here we are again, going to look at a car and we don't buy one, but we look at a lot, and maybe we're too damn picky. I don't know.
Chase every lead.
But you got to chase the leads down, which is what we did, and I'm okay with that. And now we're going to go to Waffle House. So yay, win-win. All right.
I would drive this far for Waffle House.
Well, just you did drive this far for Waffle House, so
it's a win.
There you go. It is a win.
Texas Junk Kings, go get breakfast in Dallas.
We were hungry. We went to Dallas to get breakfast.
God damn it. Well, VW Lifers, we made it, and we got some junking done on the way. Picked up some bookshelves, and now we're about to go take a boomer to the single cab. You know what? We're gonna bring y'all with. VW Lifers, today we're gonna spend the rest of the day with the TJK.
The junk
started out going to get a Beetle.
Now we got, let's see, so far we've got some shelving units, and we just got a really nice pre-lit Christmas tree that's 1 year old. And now we're gonna go get some more trees for the Winter Wonderland. And then after that, we're gonna get a patio table, picnic table kind of thing. That's the plan now, Stan. So hang with us, roll with us, because we might have bombed out on the old 67 Beetle, but look who's driving it, look what we're driving. So we're putting Boomer to work. Let's go.
We're 2 trees in. Texas Junk Kings rolling. We got Willie Boy sniffing around looking for trees. It's a good day.
Oh yeah, baby! I'm on the interwebs right now looking for stuff.
Hell yeah! All loaded up now. We got outdoor patio set, 2 trees, 1 Willie, 2 Junk Kings, and we're still living that VW life. Sir, are you throwing that away?
Just like that, Winter Wonderland gets another tree. It's kind of like Tinkerbell getting bells or something. We're gonna go look at a thing.
A thing, a
But
bang.
it's not for sale.
No, it's not for sale. Some friends.
It's some friends. We're gonna go look at their thing. Another day in the life for the TJK. No way, you just put it.
Nikes.
You want it to be a solid. You don't want it to leak. And it's Yost down tomorrow. So there's 2 roads. It's the one further into town. The one.
100 or 6700.
You gotta be like
5415.
It'd be that. Yeah, it'd be the one further into town.
5415.
Yeah. And so Brock's the mechanic there, but.
What? Bam! Whew, that was too much.
Hey AJ, what do you think?
It's a pretty good day.
VW Life turned into a little Junkin. Started off going up to Dallas looking at a 67.
Yeah.
Disappointing, huh?
Sometimes a little too rusty. I know it's a weird thing to say around here. You look at all of our cars like those are rusty pieces of crap.
Yeah.
Sometimes they're even too rusty for us, man. But the guy let us come up there and take our time looking at it, which is always
we
always
appreciate
nice.
we appreciate Chris letting us look at his 67, and it was just for what it was. I think it was a little too far gone.
Yes, sir.
I mean, it just was, and so that worked out. We got to eat at Waffle House.
We do like the Waffle House.
Rolled our way home, found some junk for
Found
free,
a lot of junk. We loaded up D-White.
and then we got back and loaded up Boomer as we're preparing for the Winter Wonderland 2020.
Always
It's gonna
prepared.
be awesome. And then we went over to Val and Anastasia's house because they just picked up a 74 thing that they got out of Savannah, Georgia.
Georgia. The molasses.
Come on, molasses. Wow. Has a hardtop.
Yeah, hardtop. They had the original roof there too. It was beautifully painted, done well.
Yeah, it
Done
looks
real
good.
well.
They met the people they bought it from in Mobile.
Mobile.
They came from, they were in Savannah, so they met them in Mobile, met up. They were flat towing it. Those girls. Always check your tires when you're flat towing or anything, man. Look on these Volkswagens. Anytime you pick one up, chances are it's been sitting on some tires that are just ancient, and you're going to have a blowout. I mean, every I don't think I've found one bay window bus that hadn't had a blowout on the rear, left or right rear, and it tears up the fender well. Fortunately, the only thing that got torn up on theirs was a little bit of their mud flap.
Yeah. So they did well.
They did really well.
They got it home, and it was a Christmas present to each other, and it looked good, man.
Yeah, they did good. I'm anxious to get them going. Got a little bit of a fuel leak. They'll get that fixed, and on the fuel pump maybe, and then get it going. So hopefully you'll see that on VW Live sooner or later.
What should these people do, Pops?
Make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life. We're here for the Volkswagen community. Today was kind of a weird day, but that's VW Life. We still did a lot of VW stuff, did we not?
Oh, yeah.
So subscribe, hit the like button. Please comment, put everything else out there that you like. And we'll be seeing you guys really soon.